Welcome back to TV5 News at 9. It is such an exciting time of year. The holidays are nearly here, and it is time to get your holiday hair care. Joining us this morning is Angelo Ortega, co-owner of Shaper Salon, and Don Angelo's in Bay City. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you, Colette.
You are welcome. Okay, so usually around this time of year, you host an exciting holiday open house, and that is still on. But like so many things now, it's going to look a little bit different this year. So what are the changes that are happening?
So our clients look forward to this shopping event every year to see what's going on, what's new in our industry, and also the big savings of 30%. And we still want to give the savings to our clients just at a safer capacity. So that's what's different about this year's open house. And we also have a curbside valet service that we're doing for our clients if they didn't already do a pre-order. So we just want to give them shopping the way that they feel safest for this holiday season.
Oh, I love that option. So will your customers be able to actually go inside the salon as well?
Absolutely. We're going to be the salon, both locations, the Bay City Uptown location and the Saginaw location. You can still come into the shops, to the lifestyle stores at limited capacity, and they can come in and shop if they feel comfortable with that. If they don't feel comfortable doing that, they can stay in their car, and a valet will come up to the car and place their order for them, cash them out, check them out, and be on their way, and they still get 30% savings on that day.
Oh, I love that. That is so convenient. That's excellent. Okay, so tell us about pre-orders. If someone has not pre-ordered, how can they make a purchase?
Good question. So if they didn't do the pre-order, the deadline for that was Monday of this past week, but they can still come, pull into the curbside area, and they can place an order inside their car with the menu of services that we have printed out for them. And the valet will go into the store, pick the products for them, cash them out, and they'll be on their way.
And we're right in the middle of this pandemic. Tell us, what type of other safety features do you already have in place for customers?
Safety features, well, we were, we were in the beginning, the cutting edge with doing the hand sanitizers, the temperature checks. The staff has been doing an awesome job at that. We have both locations are at limited capacity, and we've just been doing that, and that has kept our employees and our customers very safe.
Oh, that's great. That gives us all peace of mind to know that. Okay, let's get back to the open house. When is the holiday open house?
Okay, so the holiday open house is 2 days this year. It is November 20th, 21st, which is a Friday and a Saturday. So we spread out the sale. Instead of 1 day, we're having it 2 days. We're going to have 30% off all of our Aveda products. We're going to have 10% off gift certificates.
Oh.
And also, the first customers that purchase over $100 in products, we do have a $30 gift surprise for them.
Oh, lots of great deals there and lots of goodies as well. Okay, so tell us, how did you and your family decide on doing this open house?
Lots of meetings. We just, like I said before, our clients, they were asking us, are you going to do the open house? Are you going to do the open house? Because they plan for the savings and kind of the experience and how the salon is decorated for that event, and we owe it to our customers and to our employees to have this event.
We love that. We love that you're right in our community. That's great. So tell us, is there anything else you'd like to let us know about the open house or anything at your salon?
Come save money. You don't have to wait outside in the cold. And you can just come enjoy the valet service.
I love that valet and the curbside. That's great. That's excellent. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. We appreciate you calling in.
Thank you, Colette. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. And thank you again. If you'd like any more information, just head on over to the hot link section of WNEM.com.